Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by working fast. Peel and chop 200 g ginger and 100 g garlic into even small pieces so flavors release uniformly. Once chopped, sprinkle 1 tsp salt per 100 g and toss to draw out moisture. This concentrates flavor and prevents softening. While that rests 30-40 minutes, toast 2 tablespoon mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon fenugreek until aromatic. This blooms oils and adds depth. Make sure pieces are dry on the surface before moving to the next step to avoid dilution. Once the aromatics are ready, heat 6 tablespoon neutral oil until it shimmers. This protects spices from burning. You temper the crushed mustard, fenugreek, and 1 tsp cumin first so their oils release. Then immediately add the drained ginger garlic and stir constantly on medium-high for 6-8 minutes until edges show light browning, which adds caramelized sweetness. Now fold in 1 tablespoon chili powder and 2 tsp turmeric. Cook another 2 minutes so the spices bloom into the oil and coat every piece evenly. You finish by deglazing with 2 tablespoon vinegar and adjusting to 1-2 tsp salt. Simmer for 1 minute so vinegar integrates, then cool to room temperature to prevent condensation in the jar. Pack tightly into a sterilized jar, pressing down to remove air pockets, and pour a 0.5 centimeter oil layer on top. This preserves and matures the pickle. Store in a cool, dark place for 5-7 days before eating. If the oil becomes cloudy, heat the jar gently to 60 degrees, skim free water, and reseal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.